Welcome to the world, Junior.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm here with another vlog. So I know I did miss some days of vlogmas, so I say alright, I'm gonna give on back some vlogs, okay? But I'm in St. Elizabeth right now, Brampton, St. Elizabeth. Come look for some family member, so that's basically what we are doing now. I don't know what them have plan. I don't know if we're gonna do nothing or we just come. We think they're gonna come for me, you know? Or we just come for like just chat and laugh. But whatever we do, I'm gonna show you guys. So yeah. Mommy them up there so I take picture and I go and talk. And I should think them say one river there nearby or something there nearby. We might can go there. It look like it's gonna rain though. You see it? It look like it's gonna rain, so I'm not sure how that's gonna go, but like we just see down here cool. So just go and take some breeze. My mother around here so I take picture. And she may get it from me now. Hi, say hi. So we just get a chance to come outside. Still there St. Elizabeth because rain did fall. So I don't know where we are going right now. So guys, Mr. Father say I'm gonna buy Irish moss. Yes, I'm known for Irish moss?
Moss. Irish moss, not Irish moss.
Now, when I say it's not chalky, so you can't look.
Yeah.
Irish moss.
Irish moss.
Hello.
Hello. Let me see it, Jason.
Jason, about
But it tastes nicer than even 190.
Alright guys, so we are the famous Irish moss spot. Oh, then what your spot name?
Oh, Robin Wood Bar.
Robin Wood Bar.
In St.
So me go-
Elizabeth.
In St. Elizabeth, so I go sample it.
Brampton to wake up.
Nice man, every time I come down here and buy it.
I love very well already.
Yeah, I'm saying they all over worse, so me late. But for anybody will never know.
No. Oh, go on, give me some. Give me some.
It's nice.
Much better. Nah.
$700. Yeah, by far. It's a few ones there. You like it, Jason?
No, it not taste like the thin one.
Give me some, I didn't know. Done.
You don't have to tell with mommy.
It make for me.
But see, you want the Jason, you drink one.
No, this is a make for him.
Make for me, make for you.
How much everything come to?
And the water.
Two water.
2021, I'm supposed to welcome little Junior.
It tastes good.
Hey, you hear that, guys?
Welcome to the world, Junior.
It's a nice. I love the next one. To take it.
Go, go. Yes.
What's that?
Welcome to the world, Junior. I drank this on the
Where
27th.
park?
I drank this on the 27th. Junior must be born the next 9 months. Write it down in your catalog. Oh, and something for you left in your vlog to come. This is not sitting in mind. I will trim my hair when my firstborn is born. So the day after them born, I'm going to trim off my hair.
I think I'm going to make it 2021.
I don't know about last time.
They must know. 16 all we buy, guys. Me not lie, sir. Your Irish must taste good. It's really nice. We can't get a recipe. No, don't put what you must smile. No, you don't have to tell him because he not tell me. Some wine. Me know which wine I use. Wango wine.
No.
Wango wine.
No,
Yeah, smell and
the
eat.
market yet. You think it's out of this one
Oh, yes.
It's good, man.
Alright, bye-bye, yeah? Your something tastes good. That sound right.
Stuck up and down to me and bridge and say, anyway, I'm going to pass or something. Remember, I'm going to tap and buy Irish man. One's in touch west.
What's this?
We should your farm there. We should your farm there.
What is?
Yeah, there was one park in the yard.
Chalky or what?
I want kind of like go from Pakistan, kind of thing when tree them. If you just give like a twist and a little turn, then like look good, go.
Yeah. And it goes straight up. Guys, if you don't know what is, comment and let me know. My love knees very bad. Man, I think me ever tell her no, especially when it well ripe. Ah.
The man them give them one girl a pass. And the Jamaican man them a call to the girl and the girl a act nice and bossy. And them a want to stop. And when you say it say now, you start talk like a man them from overseas.
No, I say hello. This how you Jamaican girls go on. And she said, oh, I said, the man talking to you and you want to respond.
I call the girl no want to stop calling them. True girl no hear the accent, she no want to stop. So Jackie drop in the accent, the girl stop already for listen.
So I said, Jamaican man calling to you and you want to respond. She said, with what? I say, you know, I'm not from here. So where you from? I say, I'm from Trinidad, you know. Yeah. I said, yeah, so way down that day, I said, I don't know, I'm not so familiar with the place. He said, where is it? I said, you don't know them big show going with the app. I said, oh, we have the agriculture show right here. The big house and big
But they say they give attention.
What? What's your accent?
And look how long man them and look you woman them.
Stop.
They don't know say my stepfather never left the island.
Where man them say for do?
A bacon is them Bible.
Come on, feed me.
Guys, I left St. Elizabeth now because
It
it was raining so hard. So we couldn't even get food now. We didn't even say we want to go on one little beach. A beach or a river? Beach. We didn't want to go a beach, but it did rain, so it didn't make no sense. So we didn't know where to go and back. I record a while ago phone and my battery dead. I have to take Jason's phone and a record, but we stopped at the Yam Park. You don't know that little yam place there? When you left Mandeville and I buy saltfish and yam. How much do you cook saltfish?
A 4 pieces service. A rundown, you know.
Oh, no problem, man. See there, guys? Smell good, man. Thank you. Cook down saltfish.
Yeah, bag put this in yeah, bag.
You not eat now?
You not eat? You don't want to eat?
Yeah.
Oh, if you don't eat them, you don't want that.
I am. But I didn't my one. But I like guys. It's nice. It's nice, bud. It's nice, don't babe?
Almost.
It tastes good. And the man butter it. It tastes nice. This is my second meal. I did. Hungry. Guys, I don't know if you ever stop right here, so. But if you stop here so before, let me know because this is my first time I stop right here, so, and it tastes so good. It really tastes nice. Hey guys, good morning. So I didn't get a chance to close off my vlog, so I'm gonna just close it off now. But before I go, I just want to let you guys know that I really and truly love and appreciate, you know, the love want to show me through Vlogmas. It was so priceless. And last night I read back through some of the comments and you me see some people now left me out through the whole Vlogmas. Priceless. It's priceless. I'm not gonna lie. Remember me did ask some questions like, guys, one think would I look good there, so how this for do, how that for do. I read those and thank you guys for everybody who dropping them little 2 cents. Thank you so much because I don't know, to be real honest, sometimes I really don't know when I ask you guys, and it's a help me to help you situation. So the fact that I can ask and I can come through with a good answer them and I can look into it and say, For real, that would have do good there, so that would have looked better there, so this would have, you know, you get it. Thank you guys so much. I'm sorry I did have to give one of the Vlogmas day 25 so late. Guys, I was so tired. Me explain to everybody what asked me. I tried to, but guys, I was so tired. Me did feel drained, my body did just feel tired, and me did just want to get some rest. Me did just, even if me not sleep, me did just want to lay down and not do anything at all. Me even did make for go live and me I said, I can't. Me have to rest my brain, my foot, everything. So now I am well rested and I'm ready to give you guys more video. And not because Vlogmas done, me go hold back on the vlog them. No, I'm gonna give you guys the video them same way. But I'm gonna end off my video right here. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for your chat the journey with me. Road to 50K. Bye guys.